Go to transient structural. Engineering data. Engineering data resources. General material. Select concrete plus. Concrete and steel. Go to project. Click on geometry. Plane ZX plane. Exactly. So, huh? No. You first we need to draw the elevation. So for that, select XY plane. Okay. Go to sketching. Click on rectangle. Draw box. Dimension. This is 8 meter. This is 20 meter. Okay. Draw line. One, two, three, 4, and 5. Now go to dimension, length slash distance. You get distance 4 meter. 4. You draw diagonal lines. Now click on modeling, sketch 1. Click on concept, line from sketches. Apply. There are 2 materials, so click on operation, add frozen. Generate. Okay. Now we need to assign a cross section, say ISMB 250 or 300. So select I section. This W3 is overall depth. This is 0.3. This is cross section we have assigned. Now click on line body. cross section I1. Now same, we do not want this procedure to do again, because there is option called as pattern, like a copy paste. Okay, we can move we can create a copy of this line body at the distance of how much is span, width is 16 meters, right? So click on this line body, click on concept, click on create, click on pattern, apply, select direction, along this direction we want this. Okay, apply, 16, click on generate. Okay. 16 meter is too big, say 8 meter span. Okay. Now next thing is we want connecting links here, right? So for that, click on concept, line from points, select this one point, press Ctrl and click on point segment, apply, add frozen. Click on generate. So there are now 3 line bodies, these 2 trusses, and this is the girder beam. Select cross section. Okay, so same, we will be wanting 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so again select this line body, click on create, click on pattern, apply, select this direction, apply the offset will be 4 meter. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of copies will be 5. Generate. Okay. Now same pattern we will create on upper side. Like this. Create pattern, height is 8 meter, number of copies will be 1, height will be 8. For clear view we can go to view, cross section cell. Now it's visible, right? Now what we want, we will be wanting a deck slab here. For deck slab, it is nothing but a surface element. Okay, so for surface element there are 2 options: surface from sketches and surface from edges. So here we will do surface from edges. Click on concept, surface from edges, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 segments are selected. Click on apply. Thickness say 0.15. Click on generate. Okay. We will take second option, surface from sketches. For that, we need to create a new plane, say ZX plane. Generate. Go to sketching. Rectangle. Draw a rectangle like this. Check its size. This will be of 8 meter. This will be of 4 meter. Then go to model, sketch 2. Then concept, surface from sketches, apply, and frozen 0.15. This is the surface body. Select this surface body and then click on pattern, apply. Okay, so again 4 more surface body we will require along this direction. Select this direction. Offset is of 4 meter. Number of copies will be 4. Okay, this is your bridge. Now next go to model, ते सांगतो पहिले आता रेकॉर्डिंग हे सेशन झाल्यावर विचारते मी. Now select this surface body, change its material, it will be of concrete. All these line bodies are of steel. Okay. Now click on mesh, generate. Now very important part, now there are 2 different materials. First one is concrete deck, and second one is this steel frame, right? So we need to establish connection between these 2 parts. Sometimes it get automatic, sometimes we have to give it. Okay, so for connections, click on this connection command, insert, always go for manual contact region. So there will be 2 elements, first one will be contact and second will be of target. Okay, so this is contact. And select edge 1, 2, 3, 4. This is target. If it is not taking the option, do vice versa. this as target. This is a contact. Duplicate this 5 times. First change all target bodies. Only 4 slab is there. किती 4च आहेत का? 5 आहेत ना? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now next, change the edges. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. All contacts and targets are given. Okay. Then here is question mark. RSC setting means some inputs we need to give here. ठीक आहे, हे नंतर सांगेल मी. आज एवढी प्रॅक्टिस करत